Hello everyone, welcome to RM YouTube channel. Today's proposed day and how cool it sounds. Really it's so touching, so magical to express your deep love on this particular day. And honestly speaking, it needs nothing but little courage and purity of your heart to let your true emotions out for someone special you care the most. And indeed it's the right day to show your affection if you're waiting for long. May you all get that much awaited yes. RM Day wishes you a very happy proposed day. Okay, so let's come to the deal of the day. You can get factory wholesale price on minimum order of 1 kg color hair, and additionally you can get 10% off on selected size bundles. You can text WhatsApp at 9555 331300, or you can send your inquiry at rmdehair.com. Thank you.